did, yan po yung aking mga background. But now, I am a full-time lifestyler. Yes or yes? Yes! So, I will proceed with my task for this morning. So, meron tayong distribution tool. Ang distribution tool natin, mean to say, is just the gagamitin natin para paano natin i-expand yung ating business. So, ang kanyang distribution tool is network marketing. Mean to say, network of distributors who will work together para mas mabilis natin ma-spread ang good news. Ano? The benefits of the product and the opportunity na ibibigay ni Lifestyles once we are part of Lifestyles. And remember, meron talaga tayong sisimulan. If we do a business, meron talaga tayong kapital. Yes or yes? Yes! So, ang tanong dito, why network marketing? Why? Kasi nga simple business model, madali lang siya, very simple. Low startup cost because hindi kailangan ng millions dito. Okay? Para makasimula. And ang pinamaganda, wala tayong empleyado so hindi masakit ang ulo natin. Ako, I had a business, I had 2 businesses before. As in, mas-stress ka. Pag sweldo na, bayad na ng SSS, pwede lahat yung mga benefits, gano'n na. So, empleyado, tapos mag-absent pa. Di ba yung mga gano'n, magkakasakit sila. Sabihin naman, uwi mo na ako. So, dito sa Lifestyles, wala tayong employees. And then, of course, it's a 4-year career plan, not 40 years. Yes or yes? Yes! So, why network marketing? Bakit daw? Kasi, flexible yung schedule. Mean to say, tayo magmamanage ng ating oras. Kung ano oras mo gusto lumabas from the house, ano oras mo gusto umuwi, depende sa'yo because you're the boss and you're the manager. Yes or yes? Oo. And then we succeed by helping others succeed. So, tulong-tulong tayo, di ba? Helping people business to. And residual income, pagkatapos, ang pinakaganda, pwedeng gawin ng kahit sino. O diba? So, walang piling dito, regardless of, no? Pwede natin gawin ang network marketing business. Now, siyempre, may distributor, sabi natin, no? So, meron tayong 2 packages dito na pwedeng pagpipilian natin. So, we have the Instant Direct package, that's outright 30% discount, no? Agad-agad po, no? So, dito, pay tayo 105,960. Ang meron sa atin is 17 sets of the Better Together kit, or if you want the other one, 80 bottles of Intra juices yun siya. No? The other, same package siya. Pero may free siya na 9 bottles of Intra, that's 1 case. Yan po yung ganong box, that's 1 case Intra. Yan po ang libre sa ating Instant Direct package. So, ang amount ng 17 Better Together kit is 140 to 800. Then ang free products natin is worth 16,200 pesos. Tapos, ang profit and savings natin, bumili pa lang tayo ha, naka-profit and savings ka na kagad ng 53,040 pesos. Grabe no? Laman siya na agad. And then, return on investment, 52% agad-agad. Yes or yes? Oh. Pero syempre, Pilipino tayo, sabi nga, wala bang lower? O, meron naman. That's why meron tayong extra zero package, that's outright 20% discount naman. So, ano ibibigay sa atin? 9 sets of the Better Together kit or 40 bottles of Intra juices. So, instead of paying 75,600, no, pay na lang tayo 64,480. Ang free naman niya is 3 bottles ng Intra. Okay, that's 5,400. So, profit and savings natin is 16,520. Return on investment is 30%. Yes or yes? Yes! Oh, so, pwede kahit saan sa dalawa, magsimula tayo, no? Or pwede sa, depende kung ano o magkano ang budget nyo that you can spend. Okay? Pero dito, based on the 2 packages, no, next purchase natin, even if isang bottle na lang ng Intra or any of the product, automatic 40% discount and that's lifetime discount po. Okay? Tapos inclusive dito, meron tayong 1 million personal accident insurance, 100,000 accident medical reimbursement o hospital reimbursement. Okay? So, inclusive siya sa ating packages. Yes or yes? Yes! So, ano na mas maganda? Instant or instant? Instant! Instant! Yes or yes? So, okay, so, meron tayong 5 ways to earn. So, 5 paraan pa paano tayo kikita sa Lifestyles. Number 1 is the retail profit. Okay. So, 1 bottle of Intra and the cardio, same price din sila ha, 1,800. So, if 40% discount ka, every bottle that you sell, you will earn 720 pesos. Malaki o malaki? Malaki! Yes, because magkano ang sweldo ng isang trabahante the vow?
400 plus.
400 plus, that's without the VAT pala. Kung 700, that's with the VAT. Oh, that's what I heard sa news, no? Anyway, so 720 pesos, ilang oras mo tatapahuin yan? 8 oras? Hindi. Diba? So, ibig sabihin, if you work for 8 hours, maybe you cannot just sell 1, maybe you can sell 2 or more than every day. So, ibig sabihin, araw-araw, kahit na 1 bottle a day lang, meron kang 21,600 na na-sideline. Diba? Ang ganda. Now, what if, remember, we are pushing the detox program natin, detoxification. That's why we are selling the Better Together Kit because it will work synergistically sa ating katawan. So, sa detox program natin, at 40% discount, you will earn 3,260 per Better Together Kit. Good or good sideline? Very good. Isipin mo, saan kakikita ng 3,360 pesos? Isang Better Together Kit. Di ba, ma'am? No? Grabe talaga. Second way to earn is check per package. Di ba yung ating packages kanina, Instant and the Express? If ever you can sponsor and then they're going to purchase an express package, the company will give you 14,000 manager's check po ito under your name. At maganda, because not limited to one. Kahit pa sa isang buwan, 100 ang napasok mo na express, 14,000 times 100 pesos. Times 100 people yan. Ganun karami ang pwede mong kitain. What if kung instant ang kinuha? 16,000 naman na check yun. So, depende pa rin kung ilan, unlimited ito. Okay? So, ganun ang pwede kitain natin dito. Number 2 pa lang yan, ha? Number 3, yung ating royalty bonus. Okay, sa royalty bonus, every business for that matter, we start as tayo lang. Isa lang tayo, no? So, halimbawa, ikaw ito, or ako ito. Sa system natin sa Lifestyles, we only need 6 leaders or 6 people who will help build our team. Okay? So, tayo o ako, hahanap ako ng 6. Ang maganda because we have the system, sasamahan, tuturuan, tutulungan, hindi tayo iiwanan na luhaan dito, no? Talagang nandyan nakaalalay. So si Aning ngayon, napasok natin sa system, naturuan natin. Sila naman, we will encourage them to also look for their 6 bawat isa. So 6 times 6 is 36 people. Ito naman ang ititrain natin. And the 36, we look for 6, and 6, and 6, and 6. That's why sabi nga, if it's network marketing business, give it 3 to 5 years so that you will have this number of people under your team. 9,330. But remember, yung Pareto principle na only 20% of the actual registered member will continue to use the product or do the business opportunity or combination. Pwede nag-use siya at mag-business or pwede user lang siya or pwede talagang business lang talagang sa kanya. No? Ang sa kanya is she just wanted to drink the free. Okay? So, ang 20% that is 1,866 people sa 9,330. Now, what if, ang sabi ito, if each of these 1,866 people will purchase, mag-order lang mag-order, hindi sila gagawa ng business. 3 Better Together Kit every month. Okay? Buwan-buwan, ha? Pwede inumin nila, pwede i-share nila, no? Magkano ang kikitain natin sa royalty bonus? 1,241,556 pesos month after month after month after month. Ganyan kalaki ang potential income dito. Yes or yes? So that's the third way to earn, di ba? Limang paraan tayo dito. Pero yun lang, the rest of the 2 will explain once you're already part of Lifestyle. Might sa inyo, siya lang po mag-explain yung dalawa pa na way paano tayo kikita sa Lifestyle. So ngayon, di ba pag nag-apply ka ng trabaho, ano ang tatanong sa'yo? Pag nag-apply ka ng trabaho, ano ang tatanong sa'yo? Ano ang maiambag mo sa company? What can you contribute to the company? Right? No? But sa Lifestyle, ang tanong, what do you want to be? And how much would you like to earn? Grabe, ikaw ang magsasabi kung magkano gusto mo at ano ang gusto mong marating. Yes? Meron tayong ladder of success. Okay? So, meron tayong 3 keys to success. So, number 1, dapat meron tayong hindi lang basta dream, nakakarampot, dapat big dreams. And plural, hindi lang isa. Yes or yes? Sino ba ang may isang dream lang dito? O, di ba marami? That's why dreams, and it says big dreams. Lagyan natin ng adjective na big, okay? And then dapat willing to work for the dreams. Because wala namang libre na darating. Tama po? Yes. And of course, teachable. Because we have a system, we have our uplines, we have our mentors that will help and guide us, assist us in the business so that we can reach the ladder of success. Okay? So dito, pwedeng nag-start ka as distributor. This is 20%, no? So, pag akyat natin sa direct distributor, this is already the 40%. Nag-start ka ng package na nito. It's either the express or the instant direct package. So, potential income. Plus minus pa ha, because diba, first 5 years you will work for it, trabahuin pa natin. So initially, if you're a distributor, you can possibly earn up to 20,000 pesos a month. Is it good enough?
Yes!
Good, but not very good because dahil natin, meron pong mas mataas, tama?
Yes!
Okay, pero pag direct distributor na tayo, potential income is 20 to 40,000 plus minus ito. And once you're promoted to regional director, 40 to 75,000 at meron ka ng 2 tao under your team. Na ililid mo, i-guide mo, sasamahan, tuturuan, tutulungan. Yes or yes?
Yes!
Oh, and then of course, we have the executive director / 86 QLP, and say 6 qualified leg power leg. Ang income niya is 75,000 to 200,000 pesos. That's monthly. Ito ha, monthly, hindi ito yearly. And then national marketing director, that's 200,000 to 500,000, and it so happened that our upline mentor, NMD Marta Soronda, is in this position, no? So siya yung ating mother of all mothers dito. Yes. Then of course, the next mid-level is the international marketing director, and we have 2 inside the room. We have Ma'am Minya as well as si Ma'am May, which ang kanilang potential income is 500,000 up to 1 million monthly. Okay?
Yes.
Pero hindi matatapos yan because meron pa tayong pinakamataas, which is the global marketing director. Sa global marketing director, when you came in, nakita niyo yung mga pictures na sa labas,
yes,
those are only few of our global marketing directors in the Philippines na nagpapatunay na totoong milyon buwan-buwan ang kita dito. Yes or yes? Yan. At tayo, ang gusto nating mangyari is akyatin ang ladder of success, follow the system, follow up line, teachable, kasi wala naman siguro question about the dream. Ang question dito is, how much effort are we going to do to achieve the dream at the same time the teachability? Okay? That's why ang tanong, ang sabi, step on board and begin your journey of a lifetime. Because once nandiyan na sa heart natin, the mission, no? Once we embrace it, you know what? Hindi na siya mawawala sa atin. Kumbaga, naka-embedded na siya sa heart natin, no? So, naka-engrave na. So, I mean to say, kahit saan ka pupunta, lalabas at lalabas sa buwanga mo si Lifestyles.
Yes!
Okay? So, ang tanong, why am I in Lifestyles?
Why?
Okay. So, yung aking background, I am a Christian education graduate. I work in the church for long years, 20 plus years, no? And then, nagkaroon ako ng business. Before that, before the business, I took up nursing, my second course. So, nag-work ako as a school nurse. I had little hospital experience because medyo toxic, maliit pa yung anak ko that time, yung youngest ko. But, ang pinaka-breakthrough ko dito is, when my eldest son took intra, ito lang, introduce pa yun that time. Meron siyang asthma tsaka skin asthma. Grabe talaga, as in kagid. Kawawa yung anak ko. Lahat na klaseng antibiotic, first, second, third generation, na inom na niya. And I know, because nurse ako, masisira ang kidney ng anak ko. Pero with intra, no, nag-nebulize kami and all before going to school. Pero yun, na-address ang kanyang asthma and the skin asthma with the product. Yes or yes? And my daughter naman, hindi normal ang menstruation niya. Nagkataon na complete set ng touch tayo, Better Together Kit. So when she took the product, until now she's taking 1 Better Together Kit isang buwan, no? Na-normalize ang menstruation niya. And because of that, syempre kung ikaw nanay, hindi ka na mag-worry. Because alam mo, hormonal imbalance yun eh. Diba? Once na abnormal ang menstruation. Ako, I'm 60, just like Ma'am Ann. Yes. Who shared the product earlier. So we're 60, and we don't have maintenance, praise the Lord, no? And we are taking our product. Ako, I'm taking the product more than 1 Better Together a month. That's really true. Sabi ko, Lord, bahala ka, it's okay. I'll spend for my health. Kasi need natin, no? Kasi like, kung kulang ang tulog ko, I will add cardio. If ang activity ko is quite excessive, I'll add Nutria. Up to 6. a day, no? Intra, 6 giggers or something, pinaglay mo na sa baso. Kailangan ka rin, no? Kasi kailangan natin. Fiber Light, ito, dalawa-dalawa. But kung medyo marami-rami, the most I took was 3 in 1 day, no? Pero ang ginagawa ko, ino-open ko siya, nilalagay ko sa hot water, hot milk, hot tea, may green tea or the coffee or the Milo. Doon ginagawa ko. Maglapot siya, so yun ang ininom ko while I am reading in the morning, no? So yun ang nangyari. Pero, di ba employed ako, may business ako, nakulong ako. Dito sa Lifestyles na open ang aking heart na, ay, akala ko noon okay na ako. But hindi pala ako okay. But with Lifestyles, I was able to travel, I was able to go places na wala ko talaga inisip, wala din sa bucket list ko na mapupuntahan ko. Pero God paved the way, that's why I was able to visit places, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Of course, Mindanao naman tayo. Pwede tayo nakakapunta kung saan-saan kung wala sa Lifestyles. But with Lifestyles, traveling with Lifestyles family is really a different story. With that, I know na hindi lang yan yung mga taong natulungan natin dito, yung mga nagte-testify na anong nangyari sa buhay nila in terms of using the product, and others, as they do the opportunity, meron na din silang nabago because natulungan sila because of the opportunity as well, no? So tayo na nandito lahat ngayon, I believe, may purpose ba tayo nandito? Tama?
Yes!
And with that, thank you and good morning.